In this module we will work with solid parts, using the tools of the Features group. This group contains tools for adding and removing material, replaying entities, creating details, among others. In this class we will use the Extruded Boss base tool, which allows you to add material in a sketch, and the Extruded Cut tool, used to remove material from a piece. Come on, let's go. Open the available file and see we have some sketches. Let's add solid material by activating the command Extruded Boss base with one click on its icon. See that we must select a plan to draw the sketch, or select an existing sketch. Let's select the sketch of the rectangle. We can do this by clicking on an edge, or by expanding the template tree and making the selection, node. Automatically the preview is shown, but if it does not, it is because there is a problem with the sketch and you should check it before proceeding. In the Property Manager we have several options. In Direction 1, in the first box we define the final condition of the solid, that is, how far it will be created. The blind option allows us to enter a value. For the mid-plane option, we enter a value that will be applied to the projection of the solid to both sides of the profile. Other options require selecting a reference entity. We leave the blind option active and enter the value of 9 mm. In this box we can select an entity to guide the direction of the extrusion, but it is not necessary in this case. By activating the Draft On/Off option, we can apply an external or internal slope. By clicking on the Reverse Direction button, we reverse the direction of extrusion. We can also define a second direction for extrusion. We confirm the command and see that the details drawn in the sketch were kept in the solid created, checking the desired shape. Let's apply the command again by selecting the sketch shown. Note that the sketch is on the front face and in this way we have material overlap. To solve this, from we choose the option Surface/Face/Plane and click on the face shown. See that now the solid will be created from the selected face, even with the sketch positioned on the other side. With the blind condition, we set the size to 15 mm. Since this is the second solid to be created, note that we have an additional option, Merge Result, active by default. With this option active, the new created solid will be joined to the existing one, keeping only a solid body. Deactivating we'll have another solid created, forming a multi-body piece. We'll leave it active and confirm command. Let's apply the Extruded Cut command to remove material from this piece. We activate the command, select the sketch shown and have the preview. Note that the command options are similar to Extruded Boss base. From we choose the option Surface/Face/Plane and select the face shown. With the blind option selected, we type 5 mm. An important detail is that now the direction has to be inside the other solid, as we want to remove material. We've confirmed command, and we've got the piece completed. These commands we studied have the option thin feature, which allows you to create a shell solid. Let's demonstrate an example, follow-up. In direction 1 we set the total dimension of the solid, and in the option thin feature we set the thickness of the walls, confirming the command. We can edit the features at any time. Just click on the desired feature and on the floating bar click on Edit Feature. We learn in this class how to add and remove material using extrusion commands.